Kalumpong District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arja Arpusau, Kabalai Skilanter, Kabala Sedang Nadu ka Arpusau Terik Hadu ka Arpun Rui Terik Yoyong Arja Arpusau, Kabala Punlong daga office ke District Sports Officer Nong Pathar Stadium Nong Stun, Kala Poi No siya kabukut hakaba ka Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Kala Long ka Lakdo, Bad Yok Kurbun Pointam haki jingelek kai prepare, Boot daga St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Pendeng Ray, Bad Kabala Wan Balai kadega Maurang Secondary School Rambrai. Kibalawan bani asyam bentah ketika Lumpung kidan hadu arp santli ki school nagi bentah prepare joka district ya kebala mikmat dak handai spa arp wengut ki athletes kibala asyam bentah ki kerdan prepare kan thop hak under 14 under 16 but under 18 jongki kan thai bat senrang Hakatika singi ba PB War Nong Bri, Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jela Ulalong Kongsan, ban penhap perdai ketika Lumpung, hakabaula ai jing ro shikat dai e iki nong isyam benta prepare, bot lepun sngau ru halor ke jingdon kam jongkum kini ki sports meet, na ke benta ban kentliu iki tu ki samla don sam. Ula kemidan tiru baka West Khasiels District, kan lak ban lek baha ban wan sekmat hakatika state level meet, ke ban salong shan hasilong. Hakatika singi lai don lang ru ke District Sports Officer jongka West Khasiels District, ke Kong Balarinas Iem, ki Principal nagi school but college ki no hikai ki khana school but ki wei ki blawan man saki ya kete jingelek kai
It has been a very important event for the department so as to give an opportunity to all the schools within the state to take part in such events. Actually, the department has been conducting the Meghalaya Games for many years. We just had the 5th Meghalaya Games recently in Tura, and we've been having the state level athletic meet in Shillong for many years, and we will be having soon in the month of May, that is on the 14th, 15th and 16th of May, we will be hosting, Shillong will be hosting the state level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 again. And for this, I'm very happy that 25 schools which have participated in this event. One of the best athletes, both from boys and girls, in all the 3 age categories, under 18, under 16, and under 14. The best players, the best athletes from every event will be selected to represent this district in the upcoming state level Inter-School Athletic Meet. I'm very positive that Nongstoin also is West Khasiels, in fact, is one of the districts which always be in the forefront of giving intense competition to the different districts of the state. And I'm very positive that this year also you will do so with the leadership and guidance of the Office of the District Sports Officer of the district. And I'm very positive that proper training and guidance will be given to each and every one of you so that you can shine and do more in your future.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya